Hello everyone and welcome back to the beginner crochet tutorial series. So today we are going to learn all about working in the front loop. Have you ever seen a pattern that says FLO and then it indicates what type of stitch? Did you know that FLO actually means front loop only? So I'm going to show you exactly what that means when working in the round. And this can translate to working in rows as well. So can you see here how we have basically single crochet stitches all the way around here? They can be half double crochet stitches, double crochet, any type of stitch. And with this stitch, you have, as you work into it, you have a front and a back loop. So here's the front loop, here's the back loop. So here's my hook. Front is facing towards you, back is facing away. Okay, so if your pattern indicates front loop only, and then say for instance a single crochet stitch, your hook is only going to enter into that front loop just like that. And then let's say it said a single crochet stitch, so let us make a single crochet stitch right now. And there we go, we have a front loop only single crochet stitch. Let's try it again. So front loop only single crochet stitch. It may say front loop only, half double crochet stitch. And in that case, you'd only just work a half double crochet stitch inside this front loop. It may say a front loop only double crochet stitch, just like this. It may even say a front loop only slip stitch, just like that. So you can see we've only been working in the front loop so far, and this leaves us with a bunch of back loops of the round below it. And sometimes you could use these back loops to start a new color, or have this roll over and then you can start, you know, crocheting from here up. Depending on what sort of plushie or clothing design you have, it leaves you with something interesting to do with those back loops. So that is working with the front loops, thus exposing the back loops, ready for you to crochet something else there, or to leave them completely and just add a bit more definition to your project here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That is the front loop only tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!